Okay, this mall is called Trans Studio Bali, and I think it's called like Sunset Road, I believe. Or this is Sunset Road, and I think it's called. There's another mall I think that's called Sunset Road, but this is actually Trans Studio. So let's go and check it all out. The Trans Studio. Let's go see what it's all about. So we're gonna, let me see, go up to the front. I have to watch out for the camera because they might not. Oh, there's H&M's at almost every mall. Then we got a little roller coaster over the top as well. Oh, we're inside Trans Studio Mall, so they got this whole little thing. There's a thing up there. It's pretty cool. Looks like there's even a Wendy's over there as well. So we're inside the mall, and we're up on the second story. We got some virtual reality over there. Got an H&M way down there. So it's kind of a big mall. It's a giant square. It has let's see. And there's the first floor as well. So we're kind of coming back down. So kind of cool space. Got ramen restaurants. Got a Wendy's over there. All kinds of kind of cool stuff. I'm not going to film too much, but at least you kind of get a little bit of an idea of it.